We're with David Sutula, Creative Director, and Nicole Burke, Client Service Director at Level 7. And why don't you tell us a little bit about Level 7 and what you do?
Well, Dan, Level 7 is a consulting-centric marketing and technology firm. Do you want to tell us a little about what that means?
Sure. What that really means, I mean, that's like marketing speak, right? So what we're trying to do here essentially is to bring creative folks that would normally be in this silo that's all about art and aesthetics, user experience folks who are normally in this silo about click paths and workflows, and technology, hardcore technology folks who are normally relegated to this whole idea of servers and infrastructure, and bring them all into one room like we have behind us, where their desks are actually touching, where they can make the best decisions for user experience and our clients' goals. That also sounds a little bit like marketing speak, but what it really is it's about collaboration. It's about people who are absolute experts in their fields of study coming together in a collaborative way for the benefit of our clients.
Right, and just to add to that, I would add in the human element. So we're always thinking about the people that we employ here and the actual user who's going to be using the technology or interacting with the design that we're creating. So it definitely comes down to people.
And what's cool about our company is that we don't just do web design. We're not just a design shop. We don't just do IT. We do all of those things and so many more. So we have an enterprise software division. We actually have a search division that tries to place technology professionals in other firms, all the way down to our side, which I think we call the studio, that is really marketing focused. So whether we're doing an enterprise resource planning application for a Fortune 500 company or a website for a dentist down the road, we believe, like Nicole said, that there's a human element to all of that, whether it's the guy who's on the back end administering the application or it's the user who's using it at home on the web. It's that human element that I think ties all of our services together.
David, you mentioned you do a lot of different things. Why don't you expand on that a little bit for us?
Okay, yeah, we started out as a classic IT consulting shop in 1978 or 79 as SB Stone and Company. So, literally there are people in this company today who have programmed on punch cards, all the way up to, guys behind us who are, doing cutting edge Ruby on Rails development work. So the gamut of what we do is so wide that I can't even begin to explain it. I think it'd be best if maybe I, say what I do, you say what you do, and then we'll go around the room and we'll ask people.
Sure.
So I'm the creative director. What that means, I don't even really know. Everything from writing to ideation around a business model to user experience to kind of coaching the aesthetic design end of things. Then you.
Today, for the purposes of this video, I think my title would be Client Services Director, but in the agency environment, I tend to play different roles here, one being of client management and account management, another being
Traffic.
Traffic, managing the workflows through all of our teams, also handling advertising, event planning, marketing, and deliverables for different clients. So depending on the day, I could be wearing several hats. And that's what's exciting about the work I do here, being able to compile the decade worth of experience that I have in the advertising and marketing space and help leverage that for our accounts.
So why don't we go around the room and find out exactly what the folks here at Level 7 do.
I'm Anthony, I'm a PHP Ruby developer. I also do front-end mobile web and mobile app development, as well as some design, photo, and video production.
My name is Larry. I work with Microsoft Dynamics NAV. NAV is an ERP that handles your business functions. It handles accounting, manufacturing, distribution, warehouse control, all aspects of your business, and interfaces with Microsoft Office products.
I'm Josh Schramm. I'm a technical lead here at Level 7, as well as a Ruby on Rails and Microsoft.NET developer. I work a lot with small businesses and startup companies, trying to help them build their product for the first time or help them build internal tools that help them run their business.
Hi, my name is Nick. I'm an IT consultant. I work on installing and maintaining Windows servers.
My name is Ishan Gabo. I am a project manager at level 7. I execute projects, so from anything from software implementation to web projects to applications that need to be developed.
Hello, my name is Tom Ruskowitz. I'm an art director at level 7. I handle all aspects of design, from branding to web design, traditional print media, some mobile apps. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Jacob Hummer. I'm a .NET developer here at Level 7 by trade, but I also do Ruby on Rails and web and mobile applications. Right now I'm currently working on a web app that processes survey data.
Hi, I'm Adam Carson. I'm an intern here at Level 7, currently working on internal projects and Ruby on Rails.
Go ahead, tell them your name.
I'm Kelsey Butcher. I'm a graphic designer at Level 7, and I do a variety of jobs from print work to website design.
So I'm Tim. I'm the Director of Strategic Services and CTO here at Level 7. I do some software development in Ruby, iOS, .NET. I also work with technologies like Hadoop and other big data technologies, things like NoSQL databases and other modern analytics platforms.
I'm Kyle Balderson, a developer at Level 7. I work in Rails, PHP, and Drupal.
So that's just like 10, a dozen of the people we happen to have in the studio today. But Level 7 is actually 65 people that are scattered in this building and at our clients' locations and whatnot, doing everything from hardcore back-end development, project management, business analysts, you name it. It affords us the opportunity here in the studio to take advantage of all of those talents to come up with something that I think is pretty extraordinary.
Right, and we were talking the other day, literally, if you can think of it and you're wondering if we do it, we probably do. The answer is probably always yes, because we have experts here who have vast amounts of experience in various platforms, and the chances are they've likely done it, seen it, executed that project.
And with our search group, if we don't have that guy, like it's some crazy technology or it's brand new, our search group has probably already ran into that guy. And if not, it certainly could put out the feelers and find the right people to fulfill those needs in, I think, shorter time than pretty much any other organization, at least locally.
Great. Our thanks to Creative Director David Sutula and Client Service Director Nicole Burke from Level 7. We're with David Sutula, Creative Director.
Let's start again. I was just coughing, Dan.
Did we say time?
It's just us and a whole bunch of lights and a camera.
Okay. This is why I sit in a room over there, and I don't interface with this kind of stuff. So.
My name is Tom. I'm the art director at Level 7. Handle everything from identity to web design, mobile app, web design. Well, I said web design. This is what I get for making fun of Nicole.
I'm Kyle Balderson. I'm Kyle Balderson. Kyle Balderson. This is awful. You're vexing me right now. I'm getting shiny.
Level 7 is an IT
Hey.
Hell yeah! That's what we do here.